now. So say cheese. Okay, why don't you show me what you did to Daddy's car? No? Did we clean Daddy's car?
We just cleaned the wheels.
Oh. Is Ruben going to sweep with Daddy?
Come on, sweep with me, Ruben.
Oh, that's a really big broom. Wow. You're strong. You are so strong. You sweep just like Daddy.
When's the last time your car's been out?
Yeah, it's been a while.
So you clean your wheels? Or do you just going to clean your whole car?
Whatever. Who's saying cheese? Oh, where are you going?
I'm doing a video.
Oh, bye. Okay, here, let's get you out. Oh, it's locked. Locked. Okay, here we go. Hello. You want to say hi to the camera? Come on. Why don't you look at the camera and wave? Oh, there you go. There he goes. Somewhere. Let's go around.
I see it.
Oh, you ready to watch the movie now? Okay. Say something.
Hi, babe. Baby.
Why don't you help Daddy drive? I clean, drive the wheels. Come on.
Should we dry the wheels with Daddy? I'll follow you. I'll follow you, Rube.
I see the movie.
Well, let's see it when it's done. We're still making it. We have to do the wheels, and then we can see the movie.
Why don't you go get a rag, and you can help Daddy? Want to go get a rag?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get one for you. No, those are dirty. That's what we did. Oh, here's a nice one.
I cleaned this side.
Okay. I'll come follow you on this side. Are you done already?
Yeah.
Hmm.
You didn't do much there, Ruben.
You came home.
I came home to see you. And make dinner.
This thing was the dinosaur.
An old shirt.
This is your sword.
It's an old shirt that I don't wear anymore, Ruben.
It's time for the
That's my big guy. Bring it on.
Bye. I'll miss you.
That was my big guy. That was my big guy. That was my big guy. Love my big guy. Love my big guy. You know that? Love my big guy. Okay, here comes the car. Oh, Ruben, tell Mommy what we saw coming up the street just before. What did we see? Remember?
Ice cream truck.
Yeah.
I saw ice cream truck.
That sounds very yummy.
It's ice cream.
Okay, all done that.
Ruben, what are we going to eat on your birthday?
Cupcake.
Whose house are we going to? It's a mystery.
Watch, there's bees in there, Ruben. You have to be careful.
I'll see the movie.
Are we done making it?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't we go inside and watch the movie? Okay, say bye-bye.